Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we're gonna learn how to copy clipboard in our website. So what is basically copy clipboard? Copy clipboard is nothing. If you see that in our section, we have a code content just above and below and also below. We need to copy that content, and how could we achieve that? So this is nothing a big issue. We just go to our plugin section and click the add new button. After that, we go the search and write copy anything. Just be patient. When it comes copy anything to clipboard, we have to just install it. After installation, it required to activate. So what we to do now? We have just add a button. When we click that button, we need to add copy all the content, which is basically inside our code element or play element. So when we activate this button, this plugin is activate. Where we go to reach and find this plugin? So go to settings section and you can see that here is copy to clipboard. Just click it over there and we see that a section style button where we the several options. So what of these options? These options just pre-tag where your pre-tag is presented, the button position inside, button copy text copied, button text copy, and this is selector. Selector, what is basically selector? Selector is nothing, friends. Just when if I inspect this is a code element. A code element is inside a pre-tag. This is the part of HTML. So if I inspect this, if I zoom this, yeah, you can see that this is pre-element. I have added a class here, but it's not a big issue. It's a pre-element, and inside pre-element here is code. So what we do now, by this plugin we have already got a pre-element, so we do nothing, just this is already set up. We have to go and refresh the page. If refresh this page, you can see that here is the copy section element is comes over, and if I copy this, you can see that here is written in copied. So if I paste in my notepad, the whole section of text is copied. You can see the package of show.com custom grid, and here is show.com custom grid. For the next element, just like a pre-tag, it's also I come to over, yeah, this is XML part code. So if you want to copy it, copy and paste it over there. You can see that, yeah, here is the code of the content of XML part we have copied. So this is nothing, just install, and if you achieve accept pre-tag, you can add here more than just added a selector option. Just like PD, you can add h1 tag, paragraph tag, button, or anything which whatever you required. So install the copy to clipboard plugin and you can achieve the copy clipboard element. For this video, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our video.